Hi children. So in the previous video we discussed about that synopsis related to logarithms, right? Up to laws of logarithms we learned, no? So in this video we are going to discuss about that the worksheet which is related to laws. Okay, what we discussed in that previous video. So depends on that laws. Here we are going to discuss that problems. How to apply that laws. Okay, just we have to use that laws and we will simplify this one. Okay, so let us see that the first question from that worksheet 1. Okay, so what is that first question here they given? If log 125 to the base 10, how we will read this number? Log 125 to the base 10 plus log 8 to the base 10 which is equals to x. Then x is equals to, okay, so here we need to find that x value here. Okay, so what value they given? Log of 125 to the base 10 plus log 8 to the base 10 which is equals to x they are saying. So we need to find that what is the value of x here. Okay, so by observing this one here we can apply that one of the what is that? By observing this one here, see that its base is equals to 10 and here also 10. Okay, and this is in the form of log m to the base a plus log n to the base a. Am I correct? Okay, this is one of the law, right? We discussed already in that previous video only, just previous video. Before this one we discussed about that laws. So in that one I told you that log m to the base a plus log n to the base a. So if that law is in that form of addition, then we will get that its product m into n and its base is a. Yes or no? This is one of the law, right? So apply the same rule here, then how we will get that answer C. So log at the place of a, here we have the 10. So log 10, okay, and here 125 is there and here 8 is there which are in the places of m and n. So here m and here the sign is plus, so here we are having plus sign. So here we are having that the product of m into n. Okay, so at the place of m we have here 125, okay, into at the place of n we have here 8. Am I clear? Okay, so which is equals to x. So that value we are finding now. So we are going to take this one as only LHS here. Okay, so by using this one here we can say that 125 into 8. So after multiplication we will get that one of the number. Okay, to that number again we have to do that prime factorization. So after we need to convert by using that another law, we will do that one. Okay, it takes more time. Okay, so I will tell you here just a simplification method. See that 125 into 8. Okay, by using that exponent law, we already learned about that exponent laws, no? So apply that. Log here 125 we can write it as a 5 cube. Am I correct? 5 5s 25, 25 5s 125. So 125 into here 8 is there. So 8 we can write it as a 2 cube. Yes or no? So 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8. So we can write this one as a 2 cube and its base is 10. Clear? So which is equals to log of here 5 cube into 2 cube. So this is in the form of a power m into b power m which is equals to ab whole power m. Where we can say this formula? Yes, that one is there from exponents only, no? So apply that exponents formula here. Okay, so which is equals to 5 into 2 whole cube. Shall we write like that? Okay, and here base is 10. Am I clear? So which is equals to log 5 into 2 is equals to 10. Okay, so 10 cube and here base 10. Now this is in the form of another law. What is that? Log of m power n to the base a. Yes or no? These two also looking like same or not? Okay, so this is another law. Already we discussed that proof also. So what is that answer here? Yes, n of log m to the base a. N of log m to the base a. So apply that formula here. At the place of n we have here 3 log. At the place of m we have here 10 and the base is 10. And we know that one more law. What is that? Log a to the base a is equals to 1. Okay, so apply that condition here. which is equals to 3 into log a to the base a, which means log 10 to the base 10 is equals to 1. Completed your answer. So 3 into 1 is equals to 3. Okay. So actually here is equal to x they given, no. So that value of x is equals to 3. Am I clear? So for that only one problem, how many laws we used here? Say that the first law we used, that is log m to the base a plus log n to the base a is equals to log m into n to the base a. That is the first law we used here. After that we used exponents law. Okay, laws of exponent. A power m into b power m is equals to ab whole power m. That is the second formula we used here. And the third formula, log m power n to the base a is equals to n log m to the base a. That is the third formula we used here. And one more formula we used here, that is log a to the base a is equals to 1. So to simplify only one problem, we used here 4 different laws. Okay. So from that starting onwards, we have to observe that what is that question they given. Okay. First we have to read that question. First we have to understand that. Okay, after that only we have to think for that which formula we have to use here. So I am saying here I told you that 4 formulas. So you have to keep one thing in your brain, that is to simplify that one formula, maybe we have to use that number of formulas. Okay, depends on that before step what we got. Understand? Yes. So here finally we got that x is equal to, what is that answer? That is 3. So which option is correct here? Option A is 1 by 3. Option B is 0.064, option C is -3 and option D is 3. So which option is correct? Yes, obviously option D is correct here. So what is the value of x? X is equals to 3. Am I clear? Yes. So let us see that the next question. Yes. So this is also like that only. First what I told you that, first what question they given, we have to read that. So do that. Log 4 to the base x is equals to 1 by 4, then x is equals to, actually this is wrong, okay, some printing mistake. So x is equals to, so again we need to find that x value here, okay. So how to find that? What they given, first we have to write that one, right? So log 4 to the base x, which is equals to 1 by 4. Okay, so x where we have, in that previous question in that RHS side only x variable is there, so we find that easily. But here x is there along with that logarithmic form. Okay, x is there with logarithmic form, we need to find that x value only, no? So that's why first separate that x from that logarithmic form. So how to separate? To separate that x from that logarithm form means we have to use that exponential form. Am I correct? Yes. So here we need to write that exponential form of the given question. So what is that exponential form? X power n is equals to a means log of log n to the base x, which is equals to a means how we can write that x power a is equals to n. Like that only we discussed that one of the law, no? So apply that one here, exponential form. So x power 1 by 4 which is equals to 4. X power 1 by 4 which is equals to 4. Now I want to find that only x value, but here we have x power 1 by 4. So we need to eliminate that 1 by 4 from that. Okay, so we need to eliminate means we need to terminate that 1 by 4. Okay, so how to terminate? Just apply that power 4 on both sides. Apply that power 4 on both sides. Okay, then here we are getting 4 and 4 gets cancelled. Yes or no? 1 by 4 into 4 means the numerator and denominator gets cancelled. So which is equals to 4 power 4. Okay. So here x power 1 is nothing but x, which is equals to 4 power 4, which means 4 multiplied itself by 4 times only, no? So 4 4 16. So 4 4 16. And we know that 16 into 16 is equal to 256. Am I clear? So what is that answer here? 256. That is the value of x. So is it true or not? How you know that? Yes, we have here proof also. Okay, just verification. Okay, just verify it and prove it. So here we are getting x is equal to 256. Am I clear? So just substitute that value here. Log 4 base 256, at the place of x I am writing here 256, which is equals to 1 by 4 they given. Okay, when we can know that given value here, which value we got, that is correct or not, how we can say that? By taking the checking process or verification process. Okay, so here log of 4 and 256, we can write that 2 power 8 is equals to 256. Yes or no? Okay, just say that 2 power 4 is equals to 16. Again 2 power 4 is equal to 16. So 16 into 16 is equal to 256. Already we know that. Okay, or else here also we can write that 4 how many times there here? 4 times there. So shall we write that 4 power 4? 4 power 4 only we can write it as 2 power 2 square means 4 whole power 4. We can write that 2 4s are 8. So here we can apply that 2 power 8 or 4 power 4 also we can write that. Okay, that is your wish. So I am going to take that first 2 power 8. Okay, so 2 power 8 is equals to, here write as it is this one. So here we used one of the formula, that is log m to the base a power n is equals to 1 by n log m to the base a. This formula also there, no? So apply that formula here. So what you will get? 1 by 8 log 4 we can write that 2 square. Okay, and here base is 2, which is equals to 1 by 4. So from this one 1 by 8 and here square is there, no? So by applying that formula, that is log m power n whole power, sorry, base a is equals to n log m to the base a. So apply that formula here, then what you will get? Here 2 is there, so 2 becomes here 2 by 8. Okay, and log 2 base 2 is equals to 1 by 4. So log 2 base 2 value is equals to 1, we know that. So 2 1s and 2 4s. So 1 by 4 into log 2 base 2 value is 1, which is equals to 1 by 4. Okay, here what is there in that RHS I written here, and 1 by 4 into 1 is nothing but equals to 1 by 4, which is equals to 1 by 4. So here we can say that LHS value is equals to RHS. LHS value is equals to RHS. So that's why here which answer we got, that is correct or not? That is true only, no? Actually here this one only required, but for your examination purpose sometimes you may lose that marks. Why? Because sometimes maybe confidence. Okay, confidence is good only, but I am saying that x is equal to 256. Sometimes maybe it is correct, maybe you will do that any mistakes. Okay, so that's why checking process is better. Okay, so once you got that answer, better to go for the checking process. Then you should not, then you won't lose that any mark. Okay, so here what is that answer? X is equal to 256. So which option is correct here? Yes, option D is correct. Okay, so next say that, let us go for the next question. Okay, third question, what is that? The value of log 16 base 2. Log 16 base 2, simple question. By seeing this one we can say that answer. Without doing also we can say. Why? Because here 16 is there. Simply they are asking what is the value of log 16 base 2. Okay, so here we know that 16 we can write it as 2 power 4. Am I correct? And here base is 2. Now here this formula becomes as 4 log 2 base 2. Why? Because the formula is log a power m to the base b, which is equals to m log a base b. In this formula only there, no? Okay, just I am changing that variables only, don't worry. Okay, just I am changing the variables, but the formula is same. Okay, see here. So this one we can write it as 4 log 2 base 2, and we know that the value of log a base a is equals to 1. So apply that one here, 4 into 1, which is equals to 4. That's it. Completed your answer. So which option is correct? Yes, option B is correct here. Okay, children, am I clear? Yes. Let us see that next question. So the logarithm of 0.0625, logarithm value we need to find out, to the base 2. Okay, here they given base also. Actually in generally base nothing is there, means we have to consider it as 10. In that first video I told you that, right? So here that's why they given the base is 2. Okay, so apply that. Logarithm of 0.0625 to the base 2. Actually that is the question they are given in that written form, we need to write in that symbolic form. Okay, so which is equals to log of 0.0625, we can write it as 625 by point after how many digits there? 4 digits. Okay, so point after 4 digits there means that is 10 power 4 only, no? Okay, and here base is 2, which is equals to log of 625 prime factorization, we need to do that. Okay, so 5 ones 5 and 5 twos 10, 5 fives 25. So 5 125, 625. Okay, next 5 twos are 10, 5 fives 25. So 5 25s 125. Next 5 fives 25. 5 ones 5. Clear? So what is the prime factorization of 625? That is 5 power 4. Clear? So apply that here. 5 power 4 by 10 power 4 and the base is 2. Okay, so we can write this one as log of 5 by 10 whole power 4. Why? Because exponential formula, that is 1 by a power n, we can write it as 1 by a whole power n also we can write. Okay, according to that exponents. Okay, so apply that and the base is 2. So which is equals to here 5 ones 5 twos cancellation. So log of 1 by 2 and base 2, and here power 4 is there, no? So power become as forward of log. Okay, so 4 log 1 by 2 base 2. Okay, so we can write 1 by 2 as 4 log of 1 by 2, we can write it as 2 power minus 1. Yes or no? 1 by a power n is equal to a power minus n. Clear? Yes. So base 2. After that 4 log, here minus 1, that is the power only, no? So minus 1 become as minus 4 into minus 1, which is equals to minus 4. Okay, log 2 base 2. Okay, which is equals to minus 4 into log 2 base 2, value is 1. Log a base a is equals to 1 only, no? So apply that formula here. So which is equals to minus 4. Understood? So which option is correct here? Yes, minus 4 is correct. Clear? Yes. So let us see that the next question. Yes, see here. So log 360 is equals to, they given only one of the value, log 360, just like that second question only. Log 360 value we need to find out. Again that form also there in that logarithmic only. Okay ma. So see here 360 we can write it as 180 is 360, 290 is 290 is 180 and 245 is 90, and here 5 9s 45, 3 3s 9, 3 1s 3. So what is the prime factorization? For any number first we need to write that prime factorization. Okay, for that any numbers here they given means first we need to write that prime factorization. After just convert them into powers. Okay, after powers we have to apply that last. Okay, so see here we can write this one as 360 is equals to 2 cube into 3, how many times there? 2 times. So 3 square into 5. Actually this is that prime factorization of 360. Now we need to find log 360 value. So apply that log on both sides. So which is equals to log of 2 cube into 3 square into 5. So children, by observing this one here we have to think which law we have to use here. By seeing this one we will get that one of the idea. What is that? Log mn to the base a is equals to log m to the base a plus log n to the base a. Am I correct? So apply that law here. What you will get? Log 2 cube, and here into is there means we have to write it as a plus only, no? Here we have that into symbol, but here into symbol is not there. Symbol is there or not, whatever it may be, like this there means that is product only, no? So product become as here addition process, right? So plus log of 3 square plus log 5. and here base they didn't give anywhere, right? So we can take that base as 10. Okay, this is your wish, man. Nothing is there means that is base 10 only. Okay, if you will write or if you will not write, whatever it may be, that is not a matter here. Why? Because we are discussing with that logarithms with base 10 only, no? If we need to change that any base, they will mention that. In the previous question also they given base 2. Okay, if they didn't mention that base 2, then easily we can take that base 10. Okay. So here this one we can write it as 3 log 2 base 10 plus 2 log 3 base 10 plus, and here this is log 5 only, no, power nothing is there, power 1 only there. So 1 into log 5, again you will get it as log 5 base 10 only. So base 10 is there like this. Here base 10 not there, then also no problem, I told you, no. So like this same form where we have see here. So answer is 3 log 2. Without writing that base, I am writing here 3 log 2 plus 2 log 3. Okay, plus, and here this is log 5. Clear? So which option is correct? 3 log 2, 2 log 3 plus log 5. Okay, so which option is correct? Yes, option D is correct. Okay children, did you understand? So in this video we discussed that 1 to 5 problems from that worksheet 1. Okay, depends on that laws. So children, once again see that laws and its proofs after you better to listen this class. Okay, so thank you children. So in that next video we will discuss that the problems from 6 onwards. Okay, thank you.